Hello everyone, do you want a new Discord badge? This video is for you. First, go to your settings below. You go to gift inventories and make sure click on start quest or something like that. Then you go to Discord on Chrome, click on opening your browser, join a voice channel, share your screen, it doesn't matter what. Press Ctrl Shift I, it will open the console, then copy the code, paste it in. If it doesn't do that, you need to type allow pasting. I already do that, so paste it in, press enter. Now you need to wait 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, you will get to complete a quest badge. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, invite recap in this server. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.